How to actually fall in love with coding, even when you're crying over a semicolon. All right, everyone's out here yelling, "Just love coding," like it's a Disney movie. But how do you fall in love with something that just destroyed your soul for 3 hours because of a missing semicolon? Don't worry, we're not gonna force love. This isn't an arranged marriage. We're gonna hack your brain like a professional dopamine dealer. Step 1. Curiosity is your bait. Use it. Forget learn JavaScript in 30 days. Ask yourself, can I build a bot that sends my roommate 100 cat memes at 2 a.m.? No? Then why even code? Make it a game. Build dumb stuff, cool stuff, stupidly cool stuff. Forget building a portfolio site. Build a website that autoplays your victory music when someone clicks "Contact me." Use APIs. Abuse CSS animations. Break stuff and act surprised. Curiosity isn't just contagious. It's practically a drug. Step 2. Coding rituals, aka how to summon motivation from the void. The truth? Obsession is just consistency with a caffeine addiction. Same time every day, even if it's just 20 minutes. Eventually your brain goes, "Oh yay, suffering time." Use the Pomodoro method. 25 minutes of coding, 5 minutes of pretending your life is in control. Repeat until you're either a genius or asleep on your keyboard. And if you miss a day, no guilt. Just tell yourself you'll code twice tomorrow. Then don't. We don't judge here. Bonus points if you code in public. No, not like that. Post your progress on Twitter, GitHub, Discord, somewhere someone can go, "Nice." Step 3. Learn like a chaotic hacker gremlin. Don't just watch tutorials. They lull you into a false sense of intelligence. Instead, clone a random open source repo. Break it. Panic. Fix it. Feel powerful. Repeat. Suck at algorithms? Congrats, you're human. Hate CSS. Build 10 ugly buttons, then glam them up like RuPaul's Drag Race. Also, Anki, for flashcards. Because your brain has the memory of a goldfish with a concussion. Step 4. Find your coding tribe or cult. No pressure. You've heard of rubber duck debugging, right? Well, explaining code to an inanimate object works, but explaining it to a real person is even better. Join communities like dev.to, Hashnode, or your local Coding Cry meetup. Coders are like cats. Pretend we're lone wolves, but really we want someone to understand our one-liner if-else that didn't work for 3 hours. Collaborate. Teach others. Nothing boosts your confidence like realizing, "Holy crap, I know things." Step 5. Be lazy but look smart. Here's the dirty secret. The best coders are not hard workers. They're just too lazy to do things twice. Why write 100 lines when a loop can handle it? Why test manually when you can make a bot do it? Why suffer when you can automate suffering? Use Bash, Python, GitHub Actions. Summon the robot overlords. I automated my deployments last week. Now I press one button and go eat chips. Efficiency or genius, you decide. Step 6. Save this video. Seriously. The next time you're staring at your screen thinking, "Why did I choose this life?" Come back here. I'll be here, screaming motivational nonsense at you. Now go code something stupid and brilliant.